Hello, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have a Project Pan introduction. So this is going to be my intro for the Paranormal Pantivity Project Pan. So this starts today, September 24th, 2022 and will end September 24th, 2023. This is a fantastic ladies collab that was created by Andrea. Everyone taking part of this will be listed in the master list in the description. So, with this project, we are starting off with 6 products, and then it can go on from there. Some people are going to update bi-monthly, some people monthly. I'm probably going to do monthly, so I don't forget about the project. But I pulled in some oldies that need to be finished. So, this is going to be fun. The first prompt I chose was Poltergeist, and that is a product that gives you trouble. And if you remember my experience with this, you know this item definitely gives me trouble. This is the NYX Powerpuff Lippy and Squad Goals. So I made my goal just to use it 12 times because I can never finish it. And no matter how many times I tried to finish it, it won't be done. Next prompt I have is Doppelganger, and it's a product you have double of. So I don't have too many doubles that are easy to use, so I pulled in this one. This is from a company I don't support. It's an MLM, and this is the Pharmacy Zen Mascara. This has not been opened, but I'm going to have to open it because I have no mascaras open at the moment. Yeah, we'll see. I'll probably use it for 3 to 4 months, depending, unless this is like total dog crap, which it probably is. So that should be interesting, just to say the least. The next prompt I picked was White Lady, a product with a product that is white or has white packaging, and I picked the Wet n Wild multi-stick that is white. This is a part of my non-cruelty free project pan. I haven't forgot about that. I just haven't updated it in a while. So I have a lot of this to use, and I'm afraid to roll it up all the way, but it's gonna be fun. My goal is to finish it. Next, for Bloody Mary, the prompt is a product with the mirror, so I picked from Fenty Beauty this mini Hustler Baby Kilowatt highlighter. My goal will just be to use it 12 times because I do not think I could hit pan in this right now, but should be fun to use. Next, for Vanishing Hitchhiker, a product that disappears quickly, I decided to go with an eyeliner, so I picked this Jordana black eyeliner. This has been in my collection in a while. I realized some of the items I pulled in are items that were in my team project pan when I did that, what, 2 years ago now? I don't know. But yeah, this was one of the survivors from that project pan that didn't get finished. So my goal will be to finish it in this project. And then last but not least, the prompt I picked was a Gremlin. So it's a mini or deluxe sized sample. This isn't technically a sample, and it's not technically a mini. It's sold as a full-size product, but I'll show you the size of it, and I consider it a mini compared to what I normally use. This is the Essence setting spray. This is a mini compared to my giant all-nighter Holy Grail from Urban. So we're gonna try to finish this. It's like probably a quarter used up already. It's not the best, not the worst. I kind of use it as like a facial mist instead of a setting spray. So this will be fun to finish. Yeah, those are all my items rolling in. I didn't want to put in eyeshadow. So this is going to be fun, pulling in stuff that isn't eyeshadow for this project. I'm really excited to use the highlighter. I haven't used the Fenty highlighter in a hot minute. Don't forget to check out everyone else's intro of this project, and I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you are watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.